Hello everyone, welcome back to the lesson. Today we are going to learn something very important in English. It is about phrases. Now maybe you have seen phrases before, isn't it? But you are not really sure of what they are. But don't worry, today I will explain everything in a very simple way. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to first, understand what a phrase is. Second, identify different types of phrases. And third, find phrases easily in sentences. Alright, so let us get started. Alright, so what is a phrase, everyone? A phrase is a group of words, but it does not have both a subject and a verb. Because of that, it cannot be a complete sentence. Okay? Let us look at some examples. The little boy. In the classroom. To learn English. These groups of words have meaning, but they are not complete ideas. Alright? So I hope you understand clearly about what are phrases. Alright? Okay, number 2, forms of phrases. Now, let us look at different types of phrases. There are 5 common. First, noun phrase. Second, verb phrase. Third, prepositional phrase. Fourth, gerund phrase. And fifth, infinitive phrase. Don't worry, we will learn each one step by step. Alright? Now let's try a quick check. Look at this. The red car. In the library. To finish the homework. Are they phrases? Yes, they are, because they do not have both a subject and a verb. Alright, so let us move on to the next slide. It is noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that acts like a noun. It usually has a determiner, an adjective, and a noun. For example, the little boy, a beautiful blue dress, my best friend. Now listen carefully to this sentence. The smart student answered the question. Can you find noun phrase? Yes, the smart student is a noun phrase of this sentence. Okay? Lesson 2, which is about verb phrase. A verb phrase has a main verb and sometimes helping verbs. It shows the action in a sentence. For example, is studying, will be working, has finished eating. Now try this, everyone. She is reading a book. What is the verb phrase? Is reading. Lesson 3. It is about prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase, it starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Okay? It tells us about place, time, or direction. Examples: in the classroom, on the table, after the meeting. Let's try one, everyone. The students are in the classroom. What is the prepositional phrase? In the classroom. Lesson 4, gerund phrase. This one starts with a verb plus ing, and it works like a noun. Examples: playing football, reading books, watching movies. Listen this. Playing football is fun. What is a gerund in the sentence? Playing football. Lesson 5, infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrase, it begins with to plus base verb, or you can say verb 1. Alright? Examples: to learn English, to pass the exam, to help others. Now listen. She wants to learn English. So what is the infinitive phrase? To learn English. So today we learn about phrases and the 5 common types. Remember this simple pattern. First of all, definition, form, examples, and practice. If you understand this, you will improve your grammar very fast. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. Bye.